Hi friends, good morning. This is Suvarna Keshav from Suvarna's Hobby World. We are headed towards Kolar to visit the famous Someshwara temple. We are traveling on NH 75 and here is the Hosakote toll plaza. So it is a bright sunny morning. Road conditions are excellent and we see beautiful flowering plants on the medians. There's not much traffic and we are enjoying our ride. Kolar is around 60 kilometers from Bangalore, which can be covered within 1.5 to 2 hours. This is the main Rajagopura of the Someshwara temple at Kolar. Let us see the exteriors of the Someshwara temple today. This temple is right in the heart of Kolar town. And here are the temple timings. The main Gopura of the Someshwara temple, and here we have the temple post or the temple pillar. This is the Vasanta Mantapa and this is the Yagashale. This is the Mayura Punja. Since it resembles the feathers of a peacock and hence it is called Mayura Punja, it has medicinal properties. These are the inscriptions on the wall of the Yagashale and they tell us that it was built in the period of Vijayanagara king Achyutaraya. At the very bottom, we have a panel of beautifully carved elephants. This is the view of the Yalis from the other direction. And here is another view of the Mukhamantapa. This is the temple Prangana. And here is the massive Rajagopura. Also, please note that the walls of the Rajagopura are also intricately carved. The Someshwara temple is built out of hard granite. It is a very hard rock and very difficult to chisel. This is granite and this is called black granite or dolorite. We have deposits of both these rocks in the Antarganga hills of Kolar. Unlike the soapstone used in the Hoysala temples of Belur and Halebeedu, this is a very hard rock and it has to be chiseled very carefully. All this architecture here is very typical of the Vijayanagara style of architecture. As we already know, it was built by Achyutaraya of the Vijayanagara dynasty. All these pillars are not damaged since the Shilabalikas like figurines here are sculpted from the main stone itself. This Kalyana Mandapa is beautifully carved. This is the divine view of the Rajagopura seen from the Kalyana Mandapa. These pillars bring back the memories of the musical pillars at Hampi. As this is an ASI protected monument, the temple is maintained immaculately clean. So that's all for now, friends. Let us see the interiors of the Someshwara temple in the next episode. Please subscribe to Suvarna's Hobby World. Bye-bye.